We are a source manufacturer. Our factory currently has a team of 60 staff. Our factory covers an area of about 8,000 square meters, with advanced large-scale thermoforming automatic production equipment. Our team mainly consists of many first-class technical experts, designers, experienced production technicians, and professional sales to ensure that we can provide our customers with high-quality products and competitive prices. We have obtained product design patents, CE certification. We can provide customized service according to customers' needs. From product design, research and development, production, application, and after-sales, to provide customers with total solutions for their projects. Our company's products are widely used in China and are exported to many countries around the world. The PC Dome House is popular in multiple applications: hotel, restaurant, events, glamping site, resorts. We committed to providing customers with the best price and excellent products and services. Your brand journey starts with us.